Halloween costumes, luggage tags, and free gifts. It's time for what every cruiser wants. Good Saturday morning, everybody. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. We're back. We have new cruise comments for you this week. Because no matter what cruise lines do, no matter what cruise lines say, no matter if other cruisers say, hey, use a little bit of common sense, there's always going to be those people out there that are just not happy. There's always going to be those people out there that are going to write in comments letting you know this is wrong. This must change. I got some examples of that today. Let's jump in and let's find out. Are they right? Are they wrong? Do you agree or do you disagree? Now, first up today, we're going to talk about Halloween costumes. Now, Halloween's already come and gone. Halloween is past. And during the month of October, cruise lines do Halloween parties. People wear costumes. They have costume contests. It's a normal thing in cruising. But you know from years past, there's always going to be at least one person that's unhappy. They're unhappy with somebody else's Halloween costume choice. They don't like it. They don't agree with it. Therefore, it should be banned. It should be stopped. It should never be allowed to happen. Those people over there, look what they are wearing. They are having fun. My God, this must stop right now. And how do you stop it? Well, you write in a comment, of course. On the Carnival Blank, last night there was a Halloween costume party. I and many others were shocked that there were no rules about costumes. The winner was dressed as a geisha girl, and he was a man. Carnival needs to understand that these costumes that mimic other culture without understanding or respecting its significance can be and was offensive. Someone was dressed as a zombie. He had fake blood all over, and for a family cruise line, this should not be seen on a Carnival ship. So exactly what rules does Carnival Cruise Lines need to add to their costumes list? Apparently, a guy cannot dress up as a geisha girl and win the Halloween costume contest. I wonder if the person that wrote this comment was dressed up and didn't win and now they're just butthurt. I mean, I don't know. I don't know that that's the case, but so somebody got up there dressed as a geisha and won the costume contest, and now you're mad. But it wasn't just that. Then there was a zombie. Zombie had blood. Probably, just had a fresh meal somewhere on the ship. I don't know. Maybe, ate the person that wrote the comment. Who knows? But that should not be allowed, and that should not be seen on a Carnival family-friendly cruise ship. Because kids, they've never played a video game, they've never watched a TV show or seen a movie, and they just don't know what zombies are, right? I know it's something we've said before, and I guess we have to say it again. Look, if you don't like Halloween costumes and you don't like the cruise line celebrating Halloween and it's not really something you're into, you don't want to see it, participate in it, anything of that sort, you want it completely gone, don't book a cruise during Halloween. It really is that simple. Now for our next comment, we're going to talk about luggage tags. And look, I'm going to be 100% honest. This comment is just plain silly. There was no thought in this. There was no common sense in this whatsoever. They obviously did no checking, no research, didn't ask a single soul, but they sure whipped out that keyboard and gave us this delight. The Carnival luggage tags are blank. They are flimsy and drop off all the time. Why can't Carnival provide us with better tags with some quality? Has anyone covered them with packing tape or laminated them? Can you ask your cheerleaders what they do? Now, for every cruise I've been on, they email you your luggage tags. I know there's a few exceptions out there, but as a general rule, you get your luggage tags online and then you print them off. And it's on a piece of paper. How exactly is that going to be less flimsy? Is it suggested that maybe the cruise line should spend more money and send you a quality tag for your short cruise that when you're done, you'll throw away in the trash and somehow that cost will get passed along to cruise passengers? I don't know that that's the best thought. I don't think that that's the best idea. The major cruise lines all do this. You print them off, and then you know what you can do? You could go over to someplace like Amazon.com and you could get yourself a little plastic sleeve that goes on your suitcase, and then you put your paper copy of your luggage tag in that plastic sleeve. Those things are cheap. $2 each, if that, and they last for years. I've got some on my suitcase that has been on there going on 6 years. 6 years. All I do is open it, stick it in, close it up. It's not hard. It's not complicated. So I don't think the cruise line needs to provide us with a better luggage tag of higher quality. I think that you should check and do some research and maybe plan ahead for your luggage before you write in that kind of comment. And finally, we have a Diamond Cruise passenger on Carnival Cruise Lines who is unhappy, surprise, surprise, with the current level diamond gift being given out. And we go through this every single time Carnival changes what the gift is. When it was a hat, they didn't like that. When it was a tote bag, they didn't like that. It really doesn't matter what it is. Somebody is guaranteed to say they don't like it, it's cheap, the cruise line's crap. And of course, they will have a solution of how the cruise line can do it better. This time, it's a collapsible water bottle. Blue says Carnival on the side. That's the current free gift. And I guess the key words in here are free gift. And I think the majority of cruisers that want it, they get it, they're happy with it, they may give it away to somebody else. If you absolutely don't want it, you don't have to go down and get it. That doesn't work for everybody. Sometimes you got to write in a comment. Room blank and collected the latest Dollar Tree diamond gift on Celebration. A water bottle. Maybe a first grade child would like it. It smacks of cheapness. I think they should have a selection of diamond gifts in the fun shop that we can select from. Perhaps 25 different items, but items of quality. Not this. John, if your reply says that this is not a cheap gift, then I pity your family at Christmas. So the water bottle is not good enough. Instead, what they want to do is go down to the gift shop and have 25 items, different items, of high quality, and then they can choose their diamond gift that they want. Because a cruise line having 25 different gift choices for diamonds that they can pick and choose from, that would not whatsoever increase the price of cruising. While the water bottle may seem like a less expensive option, well, when you're the cruise line and you have to buy as many of these as they have to buy year after year, I'm pretty sure that price gets high and high for them. I'm pretty sure it does cost them a little bit something, but really at the end of the day, this is a free gift. Is it really necessary to be so ungrateful? I mean, they could have given you nothing, right? And that is going to be our video for today. Now, you guys let me know in the comments below. Do you agree? Do you disagree? Are these people right? Are these people wrong? Are they speaking for you? Do they know how you want to cruise and what needs to get changed? Now, if you've enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.